Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to fix a LG microwave. As you can see, I already kind of started this. Basically, it's the buttons stop working. Also, I noticed when I came home that the microwave was running all by itself. When I peeled it off, I could see that there's fluid inside these buttons from steam coming up from the stove, or moisture coming from the inside out. I tried getting this moisture out by blow drying it and trying to drain it out these holes, or this one hole, but it's impossible. And then I also tried peeling the other layer between the two circuit boards, but that pretty much just ruined it. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick. It's pretty easy. I plugged these two holes with just some glue, because I think that's what's letting the moisture in. It's the only hole that kind of ties in with these, so I plugged that. It's up to you if you want to try it. Anyways, you want to remove this thing from the inside of the microwave. It's pretty easy. You just take a screwdriver and it pops right out. Nothing to it. Careful, it's kind of breakable. And then I just take some pens or markers, because you gotta pry this open here. I just kind of stick them in here like this. Kind of hold them in place so I can take this door off. And I think I use pens down here. Oh, gotta go flying. It's already coming apart here. Let's see if it's gone. Okay, not yet. Now, kind of have to grab the inner door and try to pull it off. It's not that easy. There it goes. So we'll just cut on that inside one. Well, anyways, this is how you get to the circuit board to take it apart. The keypad. Don't remember taking this off. No, I don't think so. Must be just caught. Oh, maybe this is it. There's a screw right here. It's pretty stupid. There we go. Okay, careful, there's wires there. You just shut that. Anyways, this is where the ribbon goes. Just pull it out. And then when you go to take it out, pull this up and then stick a screwdriver in here right there and pull up on the ribbon, just like that. It's just flat. It's kind of weird. Anyways, let's install the new one. By the way, I got this ribbon at Repair Clinic, which is like an appliance parts place. They have really good prices, and I had it in like 2 days. So, can't go wrong with that. So, and it just kind of wraps around like this. Hope you guys can see this. I'm doing it by myself. And just kind of get the circuit pushed in. Hopefully that's good enough. Seems good. Okay, I like it. Probably put the door back on now. You just pull the door open here like that. Let's put it back on. Just be careful of these wires here. Kind of go up through this channel like that. Just snaps in like that. And you know what we'll do is we'll probably test it real fast. Make sure this is going to be good. By the way, the old one you had to pull off the LG emblem, which is right here. So let's. By the way, you want to shut the power off too, so you don't short out anything. Alright, let's see if it works. I like it. Alright. Unplug it again so it doesn't go on when we're pushing down on it. Sorry if the video's crap. Just take your time. Oh, looks like something's not working here. Okay, that's okay. A bit of bubble there. I don't care, it's a microwave. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, set time, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's just try it. Yeah, I wouldn't even do any of this before. It was just dead in the water. Also random running all by itself. It's just because of the old one had water in it, like I said. So hope that works. Let me show you the bill here. 34 bucks. Repair clinic. And here's the part number. Otherwise look it up by the model. The model number is right in here somewhere. And then make sure you put the trim back on too. And you are all done. Thanks for watching.